Don't download Windows 11 from a random site. I'm going to show you the only official virus-free way to get the ISO directly from Microsoft. And to do so, you open your browser, then in a search bar type Windows 11 ISO download. Hit enter. We get a few results here. So we want to download directly from Microsoft, not any other place. So we have two links for Microsoft, the first one and the second one. So let's go with the first link. Yes, now you see there's download Windows 11 written here. So to do so, we scroll down up to here where they've written Windows 11 disk image ISO for 64-bit devices. So from here we select what you want to download. So we download Windows 11 multi-edition ISO. We select the multi-edition because it contains Home, Pro and Education versions, and these are all inclusive and it's the only version you'll need. So we pick Windows 11 multi-edition, we confirm. We choose a language here. Maybe you say it depends in the country you're in. You choose the language that will be favorable to you. So for me, I'll scroll and choose English. Then confirm. Then download Windows 11 English 64 version. I'll click again, download. The Windows file is around 6 to 7 GB, so it should be prepared space-wise. So I start downloading. Your download has started. Now, an ISO is useless unless you know how to put it on a USB correctly. I have made a 2-minute follow-up video right here that will show you how, and it will be up next to this video. If you find the video helpful, kindly subscribe and like and put that thumbs up so that you continue to make better videos like this.